So this is my 2009 Infiniti G35 sedan. When I bought the car, it wouldn't crank. So basically right here, you got a battery, you got the battery compartment under the hood. You got the integrated power control module, which is similar to my Q50 in the same spot. But what happened was this panel, which is removable, which covers the filter for the blower inside, was removed. And what was happening was rain, when it was raining, rain was running down the windshield into this box, running down the windshield into the fender, but mainly inside the box. The filter is moldy. And that rain was running down the blower. Right there is where the ECU is located. This is the ECU. This is just the harness. And this is your BCM. This is the old BCM. That's the ECU. So rain was running down the windshield into that spot where the filter for the blower box is, running through the blower box, through the blower motor, down the side of the car, onto the ECU or ECM, onto the BCM. And as you can see, the BCM is completely burnt. Now this is the same thing as that. I just have the cover off. You can see where the fuses and the capacitors, etc., the chips have like those burnt marks. This is what happens when water runs down into that blower box with a hot battery in the car, because that BCM is getting power all the time. So that's what's happening. That's what happened with this car. I bought it, it wouldn't crank. I noticed that that panel was removed and it was moldy, and I pulled the BCM apart, noticed that it was burnt. That's why my car wouldn't crank. It wouldn't recognize the key. The ignition wouldn't turn on. And that's what was going on with this car. So make sure you have that seal. Make sure that panel is on good. And the BCM, all I did was replace it, and I had a new key program.